Hi viewers, so here in this video we are at Yaganti Parkwood. It's a residential project and this is a 2 BHK east facing model flat. So let's take the interior view. This is the living room. Next we have the dining area. And in front of the dining area we have the puja room. And this is the kitchen space. The kitchen is designed with parallel platforms and it also has a utility balcony. And this is the master bedroom. The room has a nice space. And it is designed with an attached washroom. So here it is. And here's the common washroom in the middle. And just next to this we have the children bedroom. And this room comes with an attached balcony. So as you see here, this is the balcony space. So viewers, that's all in this video. I hope you all like it. Thank you for watching.